The last thing I'll leave you with in here is you'll notice you can change your avatar. As more and more of you are using this, as you start sharing apps between each other, what I would suggest you do is if you click your avatar on the top right and you click edit, it'll open up the subscription manager and you can edit your details. Update an avatar or upload an avatar for yourselves. Doesn't need to be your picture, but the intent is you'll see as you start publishing and sharing apps, it'll start showing up in here versus the default. Again, that's the default. So just something to keep in mind as you are working through this, because you're going to start creating a bunch of data streams. You're going to start creating a bunch of apps and things, and you're going to start sharing them with yourselves, with other people. You may do a presentation, so you just want to make sure that you've done all that you can to make it presentable.